Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a ramp that assists moving objects up and down heights. It is a plane surface, set at an angle against a horizontal surface. If Max wants to lift and place this box on a ledge, it is a bit difficult. With the help of an inclined plane, Max can now push the same mass up a sloping surface, with much less effort.
Lever. The lever is one of the most basic forms of a machine. It helps us lift loads with less effort. A lever can be described as a long rigid body, with a fulcrum along its length.
One of the most commonly used machines in the world. It is a machine that converts rotational motion into linear motion. A screw has a long and thin metal shaft, with threads spiraling along its length. It also has a turning head, with a groove, where a screwdriver can be used to rotate the screw.
Pulley. Sometimes, it's not easy to lift heavy objects with only human force. This problem can be fixed with the help of a simple machine like a pulley. A basic pulley comprises of a wheel on a fixed axle, with a groove along the edges to guide a rope. When you put two or more pulleys together, you have created a great lifting machine. You increase the mechanical advantage, and it becomes very easy to lift the same load.
Wheel and axle. When we have to move a really heavy object, we have to use a great deal of force to push it. That's because of friction, the force that's resisting the motion of the object on the ground, and gravitational force, the force that pulls the object to the ground. The wheel and axle solves this problem. In this simple machine, a wheel is locked to a central axle, and they rotate each other when a force is applied on either one of them.
Wedge. The wedge is the active twin of the inclined plane. But unlike the inclined plane, which is stationary, a wedge does useful work on moving. A wedge is made up of two inclined planes. These planes meet and form a sharp edge. For a wedge, the effort force is applied to the vertical edge of the wedge. We often see a wedge being used for many things, such as to cut portions of an object, to lift heavy loads, to hold an object in place and avoid it from moving. These were the 6 simple machines that make work much easier to do.